Pero al que le guste rosa, que aguante los pinchazos.
We both light science still in the dead of the night. Although we both lie close together, we feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said or something I did? Did my words not come out right? Though I try not to hurt you, though I try, and I guess that's why I say every rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. I listen to a favorite song playing on the radio. Hear the DJ say love's a game, obviously coming, is it go? But I wonder, does he know? Has he ever felt like this? And I know that you'd be here right now if I could have let you know somehow. I guess every rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain. Like a knife that cuts you, the wound heals, but the scar, that scar remains. I know I could have said of love at night if I'd known what to say. Instead of making love, we both made our separate ways. And now I hear you find somebody new that I never really meant that much to you. And to hear the tears me up inside, and to see you cuts me like a knife. I say every rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn.